How to use the 3Fs theory to lead from the front. By Bobby Barr, Business Growth Strategist at Bobby Barr Media. Catering for all personalities can be the key to leadership qualities. It's not always a one-size-fits-all that works the best. Photo by Sam Moqadam on Unsplash. Leadership is a word of authority in most businesses. It is generally the owner or a person in charge who guides their workforce. The role is not for the faint-hearted or indeed everyone's cup of tea either. Given the opportunity, it can turn a rough diamond into a polished one, when the right candidate comes along. Leaders come in all shapes, sizes, personalities in both men and women alike. No favoritism should be made between the two. In today's modern world, it can be very difficult for leaders to find the right solutions to problems. If you can understand what the problems could be, from the outset, a simple remedy can be applied quickly using the 3Fs theory. Dealing with other people's problems daily can be draining. Having the ability to wear a multitude of hats, at any given time, is the everyday life of most leaders. Problems become a common occurrence in all workplace environments across the world. How you lead plays a big role in how the problems are turned into solutions. A 2017 poll conducted by Gallup, the global analytics and advice firm, globally stated only 15% of workers are engaged at work. In the US it was double, with 30% engagement. This means that between 70 to 85% out of 1 billion full-time workers were still not engaged in their workplace in 2017. The new updated 2020 study shows positive news of 38%, the highest reached since 2000. Why becoming a leader breeds maturity and engagement. On review, is it a wonder most people shy away from being a leader? Cue the ones that have the maturity in putting their heads above the parapet. Opportunity knocks when least expected. For the ones who are brave enough, little to gigantic bumps in the road can arise. With a positive outlook, a good eye for detail and support from the 3Fs formula, successful leadership can be met. It's a question of being on your guard and ready to roll with the punches. When they arrive, the newfound strength from new sterling leaders will abate. So, what are the 3Fs theory? In a nutshell, the 3Fs are qualities, strengths and compassionate emotions, that bestow both leaders and the different workforce personalities. A defined line in the sand should be drawn from the outset for each of the 3Fs to become effective. Know when to be firm. There comes a time in conflict or a clash of personalities, where a decision needs to be made. As a leader, always define where it lays to your workforce. Once it is reached, you must stand firm with resolution. Respect will be gained, if not imminently, it will over time of your leadership. It's important not to give up on negativity early in your role. It will become easier over time. Know when to be fair. In a work environment, fairness should be accessible to breed confidence and dialogue. There will be times where a stern word in one's ear is enough for a solution to be found. It can also be the greater of two evils in stopping unrest. It shows a human side to a leader that will make your workforce appreciate you even more. It works well when you may need a little extra from them along the way. Know when to be friendly. This quality is probably the hardest to portray without giving the wrong signals to your troops. At the same time, it can be the mortar that cements the firmest of relationships in the workplace. Do not be frightened to let your guard down. Remember, you have defined where the line in the sand firmly lays. Allowing access to the close proximity of the line helps you to establish the ones who are willing to push the boundaries. If and when they do, reinforcing where they are should become easier and clearer for all. You are handing them the rope and saying, hang yourself or climb it. It can become a kill two birds with one stone solution. You call out the bold and the brave. As you do, the rest of the workforce become a witness to your strength, leadership and values of the 3Fs theory. This theory is something I have adopted over the past 35 years successfully. Hopefully I will be able to use it over the next 35 years or more. It can be a challenge to be firm, fair and friendly. Go and do it well and to the best of your ability. This article was first published on Thrive Global on the 17th of March, 2021 by Business Growth Strategist Bobby Barr. You can find Bobby on social media at the following: LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/in/Bobby Bear/. Facebook at Bobby Bagrowth. Twitter at Bobby Bagrowth. Instagram at Bobby Bagrowth. If you would like to work with Bobby Barr on your projects, please visit bobbybear.co.uk for more information. Thank you for watching and listening.